From the opulent future adventure, greetings. Set away your RV expertise. This is more than just a car. It's a statement. Introducing the first of its kind, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. This remarkable construction is propelled by the Chiron's famed 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 engine, which is designed for cruising efficiency. A mild hybrid system provides immediate torque and maximum economy at low speeds. This one-of-a-kind piece of art combines the performance of a hypercar with the elegance of a house. The design has changed from a simple box to a flowing, aerodynamic beauty because of seamless body panels and lightweight carbon fiber. The front end is dominated by the angular, slender LED headlights on each side of Bugatti's recognizable horseshoe grille. The massive aerodynamic wheels, practical air intakes, and angular body lines radiate speed and beauty even while stopped. It is a remarkable work of art that perfectly captures Bugatti opulence in a way that no other road does. The Bugatti Motorhome cockpit is a highly compelling experience once you're inside. The dashboard is the perfect combination of modern simplicity and unmatched elegance. Every surface is covered in the finest handmade leather and matte carbon fiber, with accents of billet aluminum and polished titanium. The ultra-wide curved touchscreen on the dashboard shows detailed flight information, realistic three-dimensional navigation, and basic vehicle functions that may be accessed by haptic feedback. The interior is converted into an adventure-ready private aircraft cockpit, complete with dynamic LED ambient lighting that changes to your mood and a hypercar-inspired steering wheel that offers precise control. The main interior space, the living area, is a multi-purpose, opulent retreat. The exquisitely embroidered Alcantara panels covering the walls create a striking contrast to the exquisitely polished black wood flooring. At the push of a button, electric slide-out modules dramatically expand the space, creating a spacious sitting area with a sofa and comfortable aniline leather chairs. A foldable carbon fiber dining table emerges out of the floor, while a hidden transparent OLED screen can be used to display the outside view or to create an ultra-high-definition multimedia entertainment center. An integrated voice control and a quick satellite connection technology allow you to stay in touch with the outside world, even in the most remote locations. The sleeping chamber is more than just a place to sleep. It's your personal sanctuary. The king-size bed with Italian silk sheets and an opulent memory foam mattress are the main features. The bedroom walls are covered with leather-wrapped acoustic panels that guarantee total silence. An adjustable surround sound system, a fold-out projection screen, and LED starlights on the ceiling to create a mystical atmosphere are all part of the integrated entertainment system. A specifically designed carbon fiber wardrobe and hidden storage drawers offer plenty of storage capacity without compromising appearance. The elegance of the bathroom is also evident. This straightforward yet efficient design makes use of polished titanium fittings and light Carrara marble floors. The most pleasant option is a smart toilet with heated seats and automatic cleaning, while a rain shower with digital temperature control provides a rejuvenating bathing experience. A mirror with built-in LED lighting and a sophisticated air ventilation system offers the best air circulation. This is more than just a bathroom. It's your own spa wherever you go. The Bugatti Motorhome's kitchen is a wonder of design and technology. It includes fantastic built-in stainless steel equipment, including a dual induction cooktop, a convection oven microwave, and a large refrigerator freezer. Innovative storage solutions and countertops made of a lightweight, stain-resistant composite material that mimics stone ensure that every instrument and ingredient is stored in its designated spot. An espresso machine and built-in wine refrigerator round out your gastronomic journey. This kitchen is designed to enable you to cook delicious meals whether you're in the middle of the desert or on a mountaintop. Bugatti Motorhome 2026. More than a car, it is a vision. A real-life illustration of limitless riches and limitless exploration. It's Bugatti.